Hey guys, John from Sabers Forever. Thanks for joining me on this video. We're going to be doing something a little different, mainly because this is a special occasion. I just received this package from DHL. It came from Canada, from a shop called Kaizen Sabers. And I know a lot of people have been waiting on their Darksai V2, so I figured I'd do a little bit of an unboxing video. And if you keep track of this channel, you'll also get to see the install process of this as well. I ordered mine empty, but I haven't actually opened this yet, so let's dive in. I'm really excited to see how this came. Alright, so here we are. Let's get to the unboxing. Came in a nice box, more than enough room, and we got the new art from Non-Binate. Binate. Beautiful. Love it. That's going to go next to my other one. Chad was kind enough to send a... Ooh, that's not good. He was kind enough to send a stand for the saber, but it looks like it didn't make it all in one piece. That's a shame. Oh well, free goodies. I got a special note from Chad, which I'll read later. And then here's the rest. So we got the plaque. Let's see how this looks. Very nice. Looks real shiny. Very nice, Chad. I'll be sure to put that on my stand after I fix it. We have a quick connect. Oops, I guess that's for the install. We have the chassis, which I'm actually not going to be using that quick connect for the NeoPixel. Stickers. Awesome. He included, oh man, awesome, recharge port, kill switch. Here's the broken part, oh well. Allen key and screw. And then here's the Suba. Came in bubble wrap. One of the Subas. So here's the rectangular Suba. Etched on both sides. That aside, and then let's get to the main attraction, the hilt. So the hilts always come in these boxes. They're very nice, and he always includes tons of bubble wrap. As you can see, here is the saber. Put this to the side. And I did get the etch, but I did not get the additional powder coating. So, here we go. They are out in the wild. Wow. It's got a nice deep etch. It's not terribly deep, but it feels really good. It's noticeable. And it feels like these were sanded before they came out, so they got like a nice little once over. All the sharp edges are touched up. Nothing on the inside that feels crazy. Nice. Let's open this. Where did I put my Allen key? Right here. That's Penny. She's very excited too. Alright, so I'm just going to remove the hand guard. And also noticing you have what I'm assuming is the blade retention screw here, and then that's probably for the NeoPixel connector or the heatsink. I'll get a better angle of that once this comes off. So then this is removed, and you have your switch section. Wow, that's really nice. 3D printed back that holds the switches in, and you get really nice tactile sense. And they just slide right through that track there. beautifully machined. Really, really, really nice. Love this. And then the Subas are interchangeable this way. So here's the rounded, more like the TV show. Etched on both sides. And the blade holder. So that's what you can expect to get. It says Darksai Kaizen Sabers. These are not numbered. But you can put either one on. And then boop. Gorgeous. Can't wait to install this. So, alright. I'm going to be doing another video where I'll be editing together the various steps I did for actually installing this. I'll be putting in a Profi, probably a V1, just because I want to save the V2s for customers. And then maybe once the cards come back around after this chip shortage, I'll put in a V3 eventually. So, Profi it is. Can't wait to do this install. Just stay tuned, and I hope that you guys all get your Darksai within a short amount of time of this video being released. So thanks for checking this out. May the force be with you, and if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. It all helps out a lot, and I'll be doing, as I said, more installs on the way. If you need commission work done, reach out at me at john@sabersforever.com. Or you can message me on YouTube or Instagram, any of the above. But thanks for checking this out. May the force be with you.